Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a Discord channel. Maybe you have a channel you don't use and it's just taking up space and you just want to delete it, and that's okay. So I'm going to show you how to delete it today. So first things first, we're going to go on the channel. I'm going to delete this clips and highlights channel. I'm going to slide my finger to the left, and then on the top right corner there's a little person icon. I'm going to click that. And that will bring us here. So we had threads, pins, notifications, and settings. We're going to click on the settings icon. And you have channel name, channel topic, categories, channel permissions, notifications, pin messages, invites, slow mode, cooldown, hide after an activity. And then on the bottom of the screen, we have delete channel. So I'm going to click on the delete channel option. Are you sure you want to delete clips and highlights? This cannot be undone. Yes, I'm sure. And when we go here, the channel clips and highlights doesn't exist anymore. And that's how you do it. That's how you delete a Discord channel. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.